Hi, I'm Sean Heller, Northwest Sales Manager. Lyco has over 50 years of experience in dry bean processing equipment. We're shipping another line of soak tanks that will be hydrating dry beans ahead of one of our pressure cookers. Lyco soak tanks are engineered to the proper diameter and height to ensure correct water to bean ratio, product depth, and that beans are uniformly spread. We offer tanks in 48-inch, 96-inch, and 126-inch diameters. These are the most rugged and sanitary tanks designed in the industry. They are self-draining and have flushing nozzles to assist with the discharging of product. These nozzles are also used to make cleaning simple. Lyco is the world's leading expert in dry bean processing equipment. We provide solutions for batch or continuous processing of all types of dry beans, including pinto, kidney, black, navy, black-eyed pea, and garbanzo. We offer solutions for everything from hydrating beans prior to canning, par cooking for further processed products like hummus, to fully cooked, ready-to-eat beans for IQF. So if you have any dry bean processing equipment needs, call us at 920-623-4152 or visit us at our website www.lycomfg.com.